Hello, so do you know how to simplify such an amazing maths problem? So worry not. Solution. So in this solution, we have 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equals to 20. So we want to simplify this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So let's now conduct what is called factorization. So when you factorize 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x, we shall now remain with 4 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 20. So from here now we shall now have 4 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 20. So divide both sides by 2, divide both sides by 2. So that now 2 by 2 now shall cancel. So now we shall remain with 4 to the power of x, which now shall be equals to, so 2 here once 2 into 20 is 10. So it shall be is equals to 10. So for us to work this maths problem very fast, we shall now have to introduce what is called the log on both sides. So let's now introduce it. So here now we shall have the log of 4 to the power of x is equals to the log of 10. So when you have, for example, the log of k to the power of x, so this now can be written as x the log of k. So in this case, now we shall now have x the log of 4 is equals to the log of 10. So we want to remain with the value for x alone. We shall now have to be forced to divide both sides by the log of 4, then also this other side by the log of 4. So log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so that now the value for x is equals to the log of 10 all over the log of 4. So we can factorize this maths problem very fast by now saying that the value for x is equals to log 10 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 2, then into bracket all over the log of 4. So when you have, for example, the log of p multiplied by m, this one can be written as the log of p plus the log of m. So looking at this now, we shall now say that the value for x is equals to the log of 5, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 4. So we shall now have it all over the log of 4. So now the value for x is equals to, we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 4. So now we shall now have the log of 5, then all over the log of 4 there, then plus log 2 all over the log of 4. So we shall still write it by now saying that the value for x is equals to, here now we shall now have log 5 all over, so log 4 can be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 2 to the power of 2. That is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. That's why we are writing 2 to the power of 2. So that now the x is equals to, so now we shall now have the log of 5 all over, so in this case now we shall have it as 2 the log of 2, then plus log 2 all over 2 the log of 2. So here now we shall now say that the value for x is equals to, so the log of 5 all over 2 the log of 2, then plus, so log 2 and log 2 shall cancel, so now shall now have plus 1 over 2. So when you have, for example, the log of a, then all over the log of b, so these are now can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So now we shall now conclude and say that in our simplest form, the value for x is equals to the 1 over 2, so now we shall now have it as 1 over 2, the log of 5 to the base of 2, then plus a half. So these are now shall qualify to be our most correct maths problem. So we can still now confirm this maths problem very fast if it's the true correct answer. So we had 4 to the power of x, then plus 4 to the power of x is equals to 20. So now we shall now have it as 4 to the power of 1 over 2, the log of 5 to the base of 2, then plus a half, then also plus again 4 to the power of 1 over 2, the log of 5 to the base of 2, plus a half is equals to 20. So this one now we can rewrite it as 4 to the power of, so now we shall now have it as the log of 5 to the base, log of 5 to the base of 2 to the power of a half, then also plus means multiplication, then 4 to the power of a half, then also plus 4 to the power of the log of 5 to the base of 2 to the power of 1 over 2, then also multiply by 4 to the power of a half is equals to 20. So next we shall say that, so here now shall now have it, the log to the base of 2 shall cancel this 2, so that now 2 by 2 now shall cancel, so now we shall remain with 5, then 5 multiply by, so 2 to the power of 2 here, so this one now shall remain with 2, so 5 multiplied by 2, then plus, so these are now the log to the base of 2 shall cancel this 2, then 2 by 2 now shall cancel, we shall remain with 5, then 5 also multiplied by, so these are now we shall remain with 2, so by 2 is equals to 20. So that is now 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10, so that now 10 plus 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 is equals to 20. So meaning that our answer is right. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.